Hello, good people. This is Mr. James, your digital applying marketer. And this month, we're learning and applying knowledge from these digital tools, but we can offer them as well. But right now, I'm focusing on learning and applying these digital resource rights products, okay? Each one of these projects comes with the website, comes with the copy, it comes with videos, it comes with the checklist, and it comes with own website. And you can utilize these as your own business in a box. They are called master resource rights, and every single month I upload at least 12 to 15 new projects to dig off into. Now what I'm doing is going to give each one 1 or 2 days. It depends how deep it is, to go through the project and learn from it, pull out the knowledge and put it in play, and share my knowledge with those inside the community or inside of my blog site. And then I go to the next project. So I can go to 1 or 2 a day. It depends on how deep they are. And that's what I'm doing. And it's amazing, good people. It's very powerful, these business in the box. So thank you for watching. Thank you for coming through. And on this page somewhere there might be a link to learn more or to join in or to opt in. But have a great day. Thanks for watching, good people. Let's get started now, 2024.